Okay, question nombor 2. If something slaps, aku answer dulu.
Alamak.
If something slaps, it is excellent or amazing, surprising or scary, beautiful or handsome. Aku rasa it's excellent or amazing.
Okay, aku cakap beautiful or handsome.
Okay.
Okay, kita tengok jawapan dia.
Jawapan dia adalah excellent or amazing. Excellent. Aku kirakan slaps lah. Macam gitu.
Apa pasal So what is slaps? Okay, but never mind.
Yalah, tak apalah. Kita move on to next question.
Next question.
Nombor 3. What does snatch mean?
Okay, aku dapat answer dulu.
Snatch. What does
Exhausted.
something that is snatched?
Exhausted. I'm exhausted. I'm snatched, bro. I'm snatched.
I think the answer is there are 3 answer.
Ah,
Stolen, fierce on point or exhausted. Aku rasa it's stolen. Snatch apa? Macam is it literal?
aku rasa aku memang salah tapi aku dah ajar. Aku cakap exhausted. Tapi dia punya answer is fierce or on point, kan?
Salah.
Pasal kau snatch. Fierce apa kau snatch barang daripada orang?
Tak fierce.
Tak fierce,
Tak fierce. Okay, nombor 4. Which of the following means a look or style that is extremely fashionable or sexy? Aku tahu.
Alamak.
Which of the following means a look or style that is extremely fashionable or sexy? Dari 3 jawapan. Buzzing, bad or terdrip? Is buzzing.
Aku cakap bad lah. Dia dah 2-0
Banyak kosong lah.
Tak, kau apa tadi?
Aku ada 3.
Aku kosong mana boleh
Yalah.
sih.
Buzzing.
Buzzing okay. Drip.
Buzzing, bad or drip? Drip that means your fashion looks drip, bro.
Oh maybe
Macam gitu.
Drip kan mengalir lah kira air
Tak,
dia.
itu lain orang yang mengalir. Cerita mengalir dah lain.
Tapi ni dia